Welcome back to the channel. It's Emmanuel here. This is a quick update of the latest news in the cryptocurrency market. I know it's been a while that I posted on my channel. I'm sorry for not giving you the latest updates because it's due to some circumstance. But without wasting much time, let's dive straight into what's happening in the crypto market today. Bitcoin rose to a new all-time high on Wednesday, which is today, breaking its January record. The price of the flagship cryptocurrency was last higher by 2% at $108,955 according to Coinmetrics. Earlier it rose as high as $109,500. Bitcoin's new all-time high has been concocted by an array of favorable ingredients in the macro cauldron, namely softer US inflation numbers, a de-escalation in the US-China trade war, and the Moody's downgrade of US sovereign debt, which has put the spotlight on alternative stores of value like Bitcoin, said Anthony Trenchev, co-founder of crypto exchange Nexo. We've entered an alternate universe very different from early April when global macro concerns were at their peak and Bitcoin slumped to $74,000, he added. It's possible a 3-month window has opened for risk assets to thrive as a broader agreement between the US and China is thrashed out. After languishing for several weeks amid tariff-related uncertainty, Bitcoin's price has been steadily climbing up in May, up to 16% the month. Cumulative inflows into ETFs tracking the price of Bitcoin surpassed $40 billion last week and have seen just 2 days of outflows in May, according to SoSoValue. The cryptocurrency has benefited from both liquidity in the stock market, giving a boost to risk assets, as well as risk-off scenarios related to concerns about tariffs and deficits in the US that have driven gains in gold as well as Bitcoin. On-chain data also shows lower selling pressure as indicated by Bitcoin's inflows into exchanges and increased liquidity in the crypto market as measured by new record of the amount of Theta stablecoin, a gauge of crypto market liquidity sitting on exchanges according to CryptoQuant. Investors have been expecting upcoming catalysts including regulatory updates as well as corporate treasury investments to drive Bitcoin prices higher. Since the beginning of the year, the number of Bitcoin held by public companies has grown 31% to about $349 billion according to Bitcoin treasuries. That comprises 15% of the total Bitcoin supply. Earlier this week, the Senate voted to advance legislation that would create the first regulatory framework in the US for stablecoins, a key sector of the crypto market. President Donald Trump has said he wants to see crypto regulation on his desk and ready to sign by August before Congress in recess. Taking a look at the 4-hourly chart of Bitcoin's price, you see that Bitcoin is at $107,190 as at the time of recording this video. Taking a look at CoinMarketCap, the fear and greed index sits at 69. There's a little bit of greed in the market, which shows that the market is going bullish again, and the total crypto market cap has climbed up to $3.39 trillion again. Market dominance: Bitcoin dominates the market by 63.23%, Ethereum dominates the market by 8.94%. This is the altcoin season index, and it shows that we are not in altcoin season yet. We are still in Bitcoin season. That this is 27/100. So Bitcoin is still leading the market. When altcoin season starts kicking in, that is when you will see coins like Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, Doge, ADA, SUI, XLM, XRP go wild. If you are in the crypto market, don't forget this mantra: do your own due diligence by doing your own research. Don't rely on my own information, because whatever research you do and the conclusion you come to, that is what you should make decision on. Don't make decision based on what you hear on YouTube or what you see on Google. Make sure you always do your own research. The crypto market is very volatile, and you might not be happy with your investment if you buy it based on what someone else say. So please make sure you do your own research. I remain my humble self, Emmanuel Cryptoid. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.